Thanks for staying with us, and it's now time for the business day. The government has extended the application deadline for the reverse income tax credit. This means that individuals, self-employed persons, pay-as-you-earn PAYE employed persons and domestic workers filing a stamp card now have until December 13 to apply for the incentive. Tax Administration Jamaica TVJ says this move is primarily to facilitate employers who filed their annual returns after August 31. Their employees making below $3 million per year will now be able to get the one-time payment of $20,000. Additionally, individuals who are NIS stamp card holders and who updated their TRN information with the NIS may now apply again. So far, 290,912 people have benefited from the government's tax-back initiative, which so far amounts to roughly $5.8 billion. 38,263 applications are currently at various stages of the application process. Supreme Ventures Limited says it pumped $250 million to revamp the Acropolis gaming lounge in Barbican, St. Andrew. This is the latest in a series of investments into the company's lottery brands. SVL says it expects a 2-year return on the investments.
It's a unique market, and as I said, everybody is different. So if you go inside, the guys who are playing the horse racing machines don't play the roulette machines, and vice versa, etc. So that's one of the good things we've done here. We have enhanced it. We have a variety of different machines that covers all the different gaming aspects. And as I said to somebody a while ago, every product that SVL has in terrestrial or brick and mortar, you can access it online. So even though you have opening and closing hours for Acropolis, you can play Acropolis online 24 hours a day.
To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 276 points today to close at 321,868 points. The junior market index declined by 28 points to close at 3,695 points. Overall market activity resulted from the trading of 115 stocks, of which 42 advanced, 56 declined, and 17 traded firm. Shares in Wigton Energy were mostly traded, accounted for nearly half the shares traded. The main winners were CAC 2000, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Cargo Handlers, Epley 7.5% preference shares, and T-Tech. Losers include Iron Rock Insurance, JMMB Group 7% preference shares, Nutsville Express, Cygnus Credit Investments 8.5% preference shares, and Key Insurance. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $157.52. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $111.92. $196.40 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $164.91. And that's it for the Business Day. International stories are next.